Hello everybody, so in our class we're gonna be using Visual Studio Code where we will write our code. So I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So okay, just go to Google or any Google any web browser that you have and just search for Visual Studio Code download. Okay, and then click on the first one. So depending on your computer, just choose. So for example, my system is Windows, so I'm gonna choose Windows and okay, and just download it wherever. So let's just say desktop, save, and then since I already have it, okay, so click on the installer and click on accept the agreement, click on next. And if you'd like to create the desktop icon, so you can just open it whenever. Okay, create and click on next and just install, and it will take time, so you just need to be patient and wait until the Visual Studio Code has been completely installed. Okay, and click finish. Okay, so starting from now until for each class we're gonna be using Visual Studio Code. Okay, so once you install it, okay, let me just close it. Okay, closed it and close it. Okay, so I open Visual Studio Code. Okay, now okay, I'll just make a new window first. Okay, so when you open Visual Studio Code, you will see this. So for us to be able to write Python, then you go to extensions in here on the left side and search for Python. Okay, alright, so okay, so on the extension, search for Python. And what's happening? Okay, I can type in. One moment. Okay. Ooh. So just look for Python. Okay, look for Python and it will show up in the marketplace. And since I already have Python, okay, find Python, and if you haven't installed it, then you install it, and right after that, now it's all good, and you go back to Explorer. So every now and then find a place where you can save your file. I suggest you make it an own folder. So for example, you put it in your documents or in your C drive or D drive. Okay, and then make a new folder. Just create properties. Okay, new folder, and you can write here my programming class. And now that you have selected this, so all of our work will be stored here, and just I trust it. And create a new file. Either you click, if you see here in the start, or just right here beside the folder name and type on my first program .py. Don't forget the extensions. And now we're ready to write our first program. So try to write the command to show something, which is print, and I just want to show, let's say, hello Python. Okay, save it. Control S for Windows or in the file save, and then if you see the green play button here, then you click it, run, and down below you should see hello Python. Okay, or if you don't see a run button, then you're feel free to go to view the terminal, new terminal, and just if you're in the folder, then just write py my first program.py, and it should show hello Python. And try to change maybe hello your name, so hello Sheila. Save it, and okay, run again, and it should say hello Sheila. So this is how, this will be the ID that we're gonna be using on the rest of our classes. So make sure to install it first, and we're ready to proceed with the next lesson. Thank you, and that's it.